Alright, thank you folks. Installing a 3-handle shower faucet with the spout. Alright, if you know here, it's only gonna be cold water, right? So what we do here is we first install the male adapter into the female, and you need can use an adjustable wrench, a channel lock. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver as well. Okay, so the next stage is to link. As you can hear, we're gonna link the pipes because it's gonna be straight cold water, right? Which you want can use either handle to turn on the water. Alright, so this is a preview of the bathroom, how it look before. We have before pictures as well, and this is the tiling work. The rearrange the ceiling, put up drywall. So we are rerun the white part the pipe them now. So you will see further pictures or videos of the complete product. Alright, so yeah. So these are the shower mixer. So as you can see, now you use hot water and cold water to link the two pipes together. Make sure it is properly tightened. Alright, so this is a shower mixer. I'll show you the steps them how to convert it from hot water to straight cold water. So as you can see, that is it. Simple steps.